Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public domain characters. First, understand that public domain means the original copyright has expired, making the work freely available to the public. This allows creators like you to adapt, transform, and build upon these characters without needing permission or paying royalties. It opens up a vast library of beloved figures for your projects, offering incredible creative freedom. We'll explore how to identify and leverage these characters effectively. Finding public domain characters involves a bit of research. Generally, works published in the United States before 1929 are in the public domain. However, specific rules vary by country and publication date, so always verify. Websites like Project Gutenberg or the Internet Archive are excellent resources for discovering these characters. Look for original publication dates and copyright notices to confirm their status. This step is crucial to ensure your usage is legal. Once a character is in the public domain, your creative possibilities are nearly limitless. You can write new adventures, change their personalities, or even alter their appearance. Imagine a detective from the 1800s solving mysteries in a futuristic city. However, remember that while the original character is free, any new elements you add to your adaptation will be protected by your own copyright. This means others can use the original character, but not your unique version. Monetizing your public domain character creations is straightforward. Since you own the copyright to your specific adaptation, you can sell books, produce films, develop games, or create merchandise featuring your unique take on these classic figures. This allows you to build a brand around characters that have stood the test of time, without the burden of licensing fees. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. It's a smart way to support your creative endeavors and enjoy quality products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.